Imagine turning micro movements in the Nasdaq market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping Nasdaq futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, Amelia. How are you guys this morning? I am flat. I actually think there was only one valid setup so far for me, even though that was a huge dump. I didn't click the button in time, but it wouldn't have gotten filled anyway. This is one of those days where just anything's working. So, whatever, I guess. Thank you, Amelia. I sure hope so. I did look everything over last night, and it was exactly what I thought, that those last two trades that I lost were literally the problem because they were touching the green line. 1, 2, 3. I really can only touch that if I'm going counter trend, basically. So yeah, anytime the entry bar touches this line, it has to be counter trend, nothing with the trend. So it's all good. It's no biggie. I'm not even tripping. Yeah, I hope I can get out of the slump. That's hard. No red days for 2 weeks, and then 3 red days in a row, one being huge as fuck. And we got to get away from the middle pivot level. I don't trade there. Literally all things that shouldn't be working are working. But that's what happens when there's just so much force being pushed in this downtrend. It's just bleeding with a no rhyme or reason. We do have medium impact news coming up in about 10 minutes. And we have light impact at 9:30, and that's all the news for me. It's technically The market is just so erratic. Oh shit. I didn't even see the double bottom there. That's why I just immediately, that was not a valid trade. I didn't see the double bottom right there. So I broke even immediately, but still worked out. Interesting. Now I could tell you that's the first time that trade ever lost. Literally ever. This is on the 21st trading day. That's the first time that trade lost. And because of that, I won't even look at it. Like, it's nothing to study with it, if that makes sense. It's just, I mean, the market's bleeding, but if it's my setup, it's my setup. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Good morning, good morning. You're right, a win is a win. I just don't like winning trades that I'm not supposed to be in. That's all. Just from a discipline standpoint. Now this one right here was valid though. That one was for sure. I'm gonna stop trading in a minute. $2.15. It almost got there. I was looking for the reversal up, but didn't quite. It was like 381. That was like, I don't know, about 30 volume missing from what I wanted to get the actual move up. Okay. Now we wait. Where's the... Now do we wait? Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, Applejacks. How are you guys this morning? Janelle, I think every time you say that, I end up red by the end of the day. No, I think I do though, but it's not you, it's me. Not no meetings Thursdays. Hopefully we can keep it up. I mean, I don't know. This market is just so unpredictable. I just really hate the days that just bleed like this because it bleeds with no real patterns. It's very annoying, actually. Like to spend so much time analyzing data and seeing what typically should work. And then you have these days where it's just falling and you can't get in if you actually want to follow rule sets. Can't even get in. It's just like randomness and very icky. Oh yeah, I did get rid of my major half trend. So now the background is actually colored by the market structure indicator that shows the rotation levels and stuff. I do still have the trailing stop on there for the major half trend just because I still want to draw the zone for now, because there are some counter trend moves that will break even like at that zone, and until I kind of make sure that I don't need it there, I still want that part of the half trend. But yeah, at this point it's just the market structure, half trend, and support and resistance. It's literally it. No, Janelle, you're not a jinx. We're still inside of Tuesday's range even with all of this. Now wait a minute. That's insane. Hold on. What's Tuesday, the 25th? That is actual insanity. Yeah, we are. We're almost out of it. The oh, I don't have it over there. Let me see something. So the low of Tuesday was 990, I think. So we've almost broken out of it. Today's low is 996. That's crazy. What's the high of today? 20. 21, 386, 21. The high was still within Tuesday's range, but the low is almost out of it. All right. It looks like we broke out of the range, Applejacks. Looks like we broke out. And we're about to blow through this support level. We just did by like 30 points. Oh, this market is goofy. Yes, typical NQ for sure. ES better. For my strategy on days like today, just recently came to that conclusion. Is it because it moves slower? Or because it's not as erratic? Because what the fuck is these? Current high, current low. The range of today is like 470 points right now. Definitely bleeding trenches. Definitely. This is the 1 minute chart. I mean, we've just literally bled through both of these support levels. We barely even stopped at the major support level. That's how much is just bleeding and going. It's Tuesday range, so none of it is. Okay. So your strategy basically works best when it's not an inside day. This is so erratic, y'all. This is so stupid. Oh shoot, I think that was a setup. It was. I wouldn't have gotten filled. It doesn't even fucking matter. This was a setup right here, but you can see there's no fill there. Oh yeah. Alright, this I did miss. It's gonna be very easy for me to miss the alternate divergences for a little minute at least. But that was a valid setup right there. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? Oh, pull out my brown sandal shoes there. Market is back down over 1%. Yeah. Yes, unfortunately. This market is just so stupid. Okay, that's not valid for that. What the fuck? Not Uncle Buddy is what they call me. I'm weak. Ouch. Oh gosh. Ah, zigzag's not attached. I would have loved to take that buy, but the zigzag wasn't attached, so I couldn't. But I've gotten filled there. I'm still working on the regular counter trend divergence as well. Oh, I would have gotten filled. Interesting. Very interesting. This counter trend divergence move is valid. Like I said, I'm still working on those. It was literally only valid, but if there would have been one more volume point in this reversal bar, it would have invalidated itself. Probably grilling with them toes out. If the man on the grill does not have those sandals, don't eat the food. Don't eat the food. Oh. This market is just dumb, and I'm over it. I am. I really am. Not quite. The Jerusalem sevens, ma'am. The Janelle, the J7s. You are making it worse. Oh my gosh. A mess. A mess. Mm-mm-mm. That actually worked. I still don't know if I like that. But it came one tick from stopping me out. This, I'm still trying to figure out which of the two options I like the best. That's not my number one option, so I didn't take it. If you got iceberg, if you got iceberg. That's why she gets you. No, she feeds into you. You and your craziness. Oops. Like, bro. The erratic moves are so annoying. And it's so easy to miss stuff too because of how erratic it is. It'll also help like once I have the newer rules set in my head. That'll help too, but still. 1, 2, 3. But still. I missed a couple trades over here, one of which was right here. The buy off that rotation level. And it would have gotten filled. At this point, I don't know. Like, I just want the market to chill out for a second. Golly. You don't know why we keep playing with NQ. The thing is, I've had a couple setups that I've just kind of missed, but I mean, geez. That one, the one back there off of the rotation level was just a break even though. Like, it would have moved me to break even and then pushed all the way up, which kind of sucks, but mm. 1K to 265 is my. Oh, goodness. Wait, are you back red? You did all that with micros? My goodness. 3 micros? Wow. Goodness gracious. Look at this recovery. I mean, we haven't recovered the whole move, but I mean, damn near half of it. Hit halfway between the two pivot levels and just took off. This shit is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. There's a lot of indecision in here. A zigzag messed up in 2 subsequent swings, so we've been back to, oh, we got a little ways to go. Got like 120 points to get back to VWAP. Oh, because we didn't break there. Duh. Nice long walk around the park, but before dark today. That's using micro, so no more minis for you. Yeah, when I blew that Top Step account the other day, that was my first time blowing an account in a very long time. Very, very long time. Have to view on larger time frames and be. I don't have the patience to be patient. I kind of am in the same boat, to be honest with you. I don't. That's why I like scalping, be done by 10 o'clock and go on with my life. I don't have the patience to sit there all day. That's why I like the times that I have extended my session. It's like, all right, can we just do something? Because I'm over it. I just don't. I can't. I can't and I won't. 98. Liquidity is terrible. To go 62 ticks with only 300. Where the hell did the number go? I didn't realize the number wasn't over there. But this went 63 ticks with only like 300 volume. That's not good. Not good at all, actually. You only have about a 3-hour time frame to trade. 3 hours isn't too bad. I need to make a note to myself real quick. All right, I'm done trading until 9:31. For news. I'm not gonna lie, this market lately has just been making me want to go back to trading the way I used to. You hit a TP of 2460 earlier on gold. Nice. Was it your the Asian session or London? That's not good. We started consolidating around here. Oh, New York session. I'm tired of getting it. I don't know why I took a nap yesterday. Was that yesterday I took a nap? I'm pretty sure yesterday I stopped journaling at 11 and slept till like 1:30. But then I got in the bed early last night. I probably fell asleep by like 2, which is my normal sleep time, but because of my nap, then I was up at 7 o'clock this morning. And between 7 and 8, I probably woke up like 2 or 3 times. Is that a Lombard? What is? Eight contracts since the trend was very bearish. Not where the other the other homies. Gold has micro. You didn't know that gold had micros? Yeah, almost every instrument has micros. Gold moves and tends to not come back. Yeah, that's why a lot of people like gold because it's very trendy. That and crude can be pretty trendy as well. Yep. Yeah, I used to trade micro gold sometimes, mainly when I was in my personal account. All right, back at it. Not quite. There's a lot of congestion right here. So we'll see if we can break out of that. Nope. Applejack's, my lack of patience makes me want to get off the charts now. Forget these last 30 minutes. Where yesterday's low. There's the breakout of the congestion over there. Bro, come on. Let me go back. Sorry, you guys. 50% interest when I NQ went back down. Yeah. Oh, damn. I think I missed that again. I'm just so not used to this damn counter. I just fixed it. It took a loss yesterday, but that was the first one. I think it's like after today, like 10 or 11 and 1. It's a couple break evens too. But I keep forgetting that I fixed it. And watch, if it sets up again, it's going to be the one that loses if I take it. That's always what happens. Set up again right there, but I would have to break even so quickly. It made no sense to do that. Oh yeah, I literally just fixed this. That has set up 2 or 3 times today. Yeah, 2 or 3. And I missed them all. Oh, my back is killing me. ICT called out the NQ low this morning. You might increase your contract size to 10 to 12. I think you said you're at 8, right? What the hell? Almost, but not quite. Where do you do that? This girl, her Lord and Savior. Paul's like, who the hell are you talking about, lady? What a move down. 127. What about? I actually thought that by the time we came down, because I needed the entry bar to touch any level of some sort. I thought by the time we came down here, the zigzag, this one was gonna change to red, but we did not. We did not. Very interesting. Just wanted the volume of this bar to be more than this one and have a level attached, and it worked out perfectly. There was like 204 volume in that reversal bar. There was 127 in the previous one. This is junky. Very junky. 106 is also the major support level, so that helped too. I just, excuse me, didn't want it to touch the half trend one. Currently 6 to 8 contracts on A+ setups. So when are you planning to possibly move to 10 to 12? Do you have like a certain like when you hit a certain balance or something like that? You don't pay attention to him anymore, Applejacks, as you shouldn't. Once you learn what you need to know, you don't need to listen to him no more. It's no reason to listen to a 4-hour rant when you know how to trade. You're good, Amelia. You're trying to support a new YouTuber. Just started last week. You are just fine, I promise. Tariff news trading. Oh yeah, I feel like I saw you say who said something about tariffs earlier? I feel like I glanced over it, but then the market started moving, so I looked down. Did I not see something about tariffs? Maybe I'm tripping. Oh, yes. You said tariffs are supposedly going into full effect next week. Potential big upticks in metal energy. Trading around Asia, London. How do you keep up with where do you go to look at the current like breaking news? Do you use what is that website, Financial Juice, or do you use something else? Do you just pay attention to like MSNBC or something like that? One of the chatters in Methodical and Nutty's chat. I got you. Check my personal, but not the last few days. Ain't nothing wrong with that, honey. Yeah, Amelia said she got her money and got out. Okay. You use financial juice? Yeah, I remember when I was looking for like, I guess, news integrations in the Discord. Which, by the way, I figured out that I'm gonna do when I run the giveaway, I'm gonna run it through the Discord. So people from YouTube are just gonna have to join it because the way that I have been seeing when people do it through Discord is so much easier because when the Discord bot chooses a winner, it tags that specific person so that you can, message that specific person. I just don't like the YouTube giveaways at all. Too many people scam. Yahoo Finance alert, Schwab live feeds after market close. And knew I was never getting that money and thought, what the fuck am I doing when I have my own accounts to trade? Touche, touche, touche. Yeah. I think the only time that makes sense is if you're trading with like take profit trader or something where you don't have consistency rules and stuff. But and I feel like the whole consistency rule is kind of like it's twofold. On one end, I support it because I support it mainly to help gamblers stop gambling and get good habits. Because a lot of people who hit those big days, baby, it's not because they're doing what you're doing. It's because they're completely over leveraging and things like that. But when you have a solid strategy and you're doing it, well, obviously that's a whole different ball game and you shouldn't be penalized for it. And it's just unfortunate because, obviously they have to make rules that go across everyone. And unfortunately, there's more gamblers than people who are actually trying to develop a skill. Unfortunately. No, 4, 103. Three. Oh, those are equal. Very interesting. Yeah, I think I have to stick to that. So, one of the things that I've done, like I said, with me getting rid of the major half trend and making the bias change based off of the market structure. So you can see like when I draw the zone, technically when the background was colored by the major half trend, this would still be an uptrend because we didn't break the bottom of the zone. However, I think I like it better this way where I change it based off the market structure indicator because this would be a different trade. Like this divergence would technically be counter trend if I didn't go based off of the market structure color in the background. And that worked out. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I want with the volume pattern of this. This one worked the way I wanted it to. We also were at the major support level, and I think I said this last week. I'm pretty sure, like I know at the other support and resistance levels it's fine, but I don't know about the major one. I think as long as it doesn't rotate over it, it's fine, which it didn't. I mean, only the entry bar touched it. This one didn't. So, yeah, it's just going to take some getting used to seeing like the background change when we don't all the way break the zone or whatever that I draw. But like I said, for now, I still need to draw it for when the counter trend moves come up and touch it and bounce down. So I haven't all the way worked that out yet. Tradeify. Oh shit, not Tradeify. Oh, the 20%. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Some other interesting things that I've kind of paid attention to since, because I think last night is when I decided to change how the bias changes or whatever. And so whenever we're inside, so we changed to an uptrend, but we've rejected it and we're inside. So there's certain volume patterns that just will not work, mainly because it's showing that the sellers are doing too much to continue to reject the uptrend. And so I have to kind of be careful with that when I'm looking for trades going in the direction of the trend. Easy stuff to remember, but that was something that I noticed. All right, now we got the actual break. $15K and out, period. But you did it the right way. You wanted to test something? Why not? Why not? And sometimes I feel like it's cool to test with props because, you know, if you ever want to go and use a prop firm to fund your personal account, you got to make sure whatever you're doing works for the prop firm that you would like to use it, you know, use to do it. There's a no fill right there. Oh, that didn't get all the way quite where I wanted it to anyway. I did not expect us to push all the way up there. I thought we were going to reject right here at the sell rotation level and push down from there. That's what I was looking for. But it didn't quite happen. I still don't all the way trust the divergences though. That was at the prime. That's the main reason why. It's definitely gonna have to clear. So I really like the counter trend divergence. However, we have to clear the prime lower high. This one, the volume worked out perfectly, but you can see that where my white line is, the bar closed on the previous prime low. That's why I didn't take it, and it would have lost. When it clears it, there's no losses so far. Use that profit to fund your personal. Exactly. That's one thing I'm definitely looking forward to, is getting back in my personal account eventually. And I am thinking about doing like a sub account where that sub account has, you know, that's where I fund it with the prop firm money, but the other one is the one that I do a slow build with micros over time, just to show that it works. Oh, I actually would have gotten filled there. I've missed a lot of trades today, actually, if I'm being completely honest. Actually, I don't know if I would have gotten filled. Yeah, probably not. 39. I wouldn't have gotten filled. This trade happened in 0.1 seconds, so I wouldn't have gotten filled. Like from the close of the bar to the next bar where there was a very small pullback to get in, I wouldn't have gotten filled. A lot of these trades that happen off of different levels, just end up not getting filled. Look at that. I just tried to get into that one, no fill. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let's look inside here. Yeah, see? I tried to get into this one and it just took off. Matter of fact, I gotta write that in. Sometimes I forget which ones I try to get into and which ones I don't. 2 people 40. So that would have been 2 no fills in a row, this one and this one. Where's somebody like that, period? Greater than. Nope, not quite. Thought we were gonna reverse around there. Just gonna take the sell right there. Five 44.25. Touch that. You know what? I'm not gonna take another trade. I only have like 2 minutes left, a minute and a half left. So, and I highly doubt anything sets up anyway. I've missed enough trades today. I'm not even gonna torture myself. Oh, All right, so let me show you guys the accounts for the day. And get y'all out of here. So we finally broke the red streak. All right, we broke the red streak. Let me look at the trade performance. I know I did have one loss in there somewhere, which was a trade that literally after 20 trading day, today is day 21. This is the first time it lost. As a matter of fact, in the last 20 trading days, it had 20 wins and 4 break evens, no losses. So taking a loss today doesn't even bother me. I don't have anything to, there's nothing to research, there's nothing to study. It just lost. And at this point, besides some of the, are you not going to show me what trades I took today? Besides some of the, my summary is not even coming up on the trade performance, but besides some of the particular volume patterns that I just don't have enough data for to like make a full-blown sound decision, stuff like that. If it won 20 times with no losses and today's the first loss, like that's as close to perfection as I can get. You get what I'm saying? So it just kind of is what it is. And it set up like 2 or 3 more times today and won. It either won or like the last trade that I tried to take that didn't get filled. You know, it is what it is. So it looks like I took 4 trades. So I'm going to assume that I have 3 wins and a loss in there based off of the P&L. That's what it seems like. I know on the Top Step account, because my trades were happening so fast, the take profits were put a little bit further out than it was supposed to. But overall, not a bad day whatsoever. I basically will go in with full drawdown tomorrow on TPT. I'm back in profit on that one. And then the Top Step account is almost at 1,000 in drawdown. So I'll be very curious to see if I can actually get this account back and actually pass that account. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. See, Slump gone. Hi. Yes, finally. And let's hope I can keep that streak going. Either way, like I said, I'm going to trade that Rhythmic account starting Monday regardless, because it's time to get something moving. So we'll see what happens. But I thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.